everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today I have 4 mystery boxes from Crafter's Companion. I'm not affiliated with them or anything, but I am a sucker for a mystery box. So I saw these on their live feed. They've been doing daily lives, which is really cool. And of course I couldn't help myself. So I went ahead and purchased 4. The 4 that they had in stock at the time. As a matter of fact, I have a mystery craft kit all by itself, a paper craft discovery kit, a Valentine's needlecraft mystery bag, and a soft craft mystery bag. So there are 4 here. I did take them out of the box simply because I didn't want to have to worry about any of that. And I got rid of the box, so let's see what's inside. I'm not sure which one is which. They're not labeled at all. So we're going to open the box first. And if you see, inside there is a Crafter's Companion. I think this is their kit of the month. So it looks like they sent me Botanical Blooms Craft Kit. So this is probably their craft mystery box. They do these monthly boxes. I don't get them typically because I don't really do cards, but I am excited to see what's inside and what I can do with it. So it says, welcome to your new project kit. Thank you for your purchase. Be sure to visit our webpage showcasing how to get the most from your new kit, and it's got crafterscompanion.com/craftkits. And it looks like there's some beautiful flowers, lots of ribbon. There's 3 different things of ribbon, same 3 colors in 3 different sizes. How cool is that? Some dies. This one says just for you, and this is a little edge. Very cool. And there's these. I like how all the colors coordinate. Some ribbons. Let's see what's in the ribbons. I'm very excited for this one because I can absolutely use this. These are white. I don't know if you can see them. There you go. I can absolutely use this for journaling. And there you go. Some stamps. Flowers, sweet wishes, sending lots of love your way. You make me happy. A happy birthday. Bonjour. Thank you. Hugs and kisses. C'est la vie. Bon voyage. Butterflies. Flowers. Bicycles. Then we have some envelopes. Some more envelopes in different sizes. Lots of envelopes. This one looks like it's a pop-up or a dimensional envelope. Card and envelope. Those are cards and envelopes. Sorry, I misspoke. Another size. And these look like they're pop-up or layered effects as well. Oh, there's a card in here that says what everything is. Then we have some cutouts. Thinking of you. You're absolutely brilliant. Best wishes just for you. These make making a card really easy and very coordinated and fun. And then we have some paper. There's no card in there saying what everything is, which is unfortunate. Maybe it's in the box. There is the paper. It's pretty. Looks like there's 3 of each design. Oh. And then this looks like same size paper, but these are solids. also 3 of each color. So they give you plenty to make your cards with. Just gonna check if it's on the box real quick. It says make a minimum of 18 cards in various sizes. This is a picture of one, so it's like the little layered effect. So that's cool. Here we go. So 2 metal dies, 21 piece clear acrylic, 18 piece die card blanks, die cut card blanks, 18 envelopes, 18 printed papers, 9 ribbons, 69 die cut toppers, 18 colored cards, which is probably just that colored paper, 74 rub-ons, 1 rub-on applicator, so the wooden stick, 48 paper flowers, and 13 piece of pearls, 100 piece pearls. Can't talk today. So this is Botanical Bliss craft kit, so that's pretty cool. That would have been probably just the craft kit, or the Paper Craft Discovery kit, one of the two. Put that aside. Next we have these, and I have to tell you, I know this is small things in life, but I love these packaging because they're recyclable. You actually just separate the paper from the plastic, and you can recycle them depending on how you guys recycle in your location. Mine doesn't recycle plastic, so I actually end up taking that to Walmart or somewhere else that does, and then I'll recycle the paper. Okay, so this one I believe is the Soft Craft Mystery Bag. This is the one they were showcasing as I was watching. So this one we have the Threaders ink, which is a washable ink, so you can put your designs or draw, stamp, draw, whatever you need on the fabric. We have some twine, 2 different colors. We have a CD, which I don't think I have a CD attached to any of my computers, so I'll have to get an external one, but that's okay. We have some die cuts. That's really cool. So this is just the little arrow design, or whatever you call it, chevron design. But there's a picture of a leather cuff used with this design, so that's really neat. That's a great idea. And this is very similar. It's just it says the ellipse panel, just circles, almost look like soccer balls. And then it's got a picture of actually using it with it, so that's pretty neat. And then we've got some fabric. Not my style. Oh, this one's pretty. I like this one for like art journaling. I could use that for art journaling. Probably wouldn't wear anything with it. This one's not really my style, but pretty. Of course, I would get orange leather. It's actually a peach color, so it's not as bad, but I'm not a fan of orange. So it's a little bit of a bummer for me, but a full thing of leather. So you can make a leather purse out of it, which is exciting. And then you've got quilting stencils. So I don't quilt, but I would love to practice. This one's teddy bear, so that is cute. This one's geometric, so that's fun. This is cork fabric. That is neat. That will look great in my art journals. And it is, I mean, it feels like cork. It is absolutely cork. Just isn't just the design. So that's really cool. So that's the soft craft one. That's the one that was advertising that morning when I actually decided to buy these, which I shouldn't have, but that's okay. Next up, I think this would be the Valentine's kit, needlecraft kit, if I can get it out. Oh, let's just rip it. We're going to recycle it anyways, right? Okay. We have a little crochet owl, which is I think it's a rattle. I actually have one that I got in one of their kits already. I don't know if it's an owl, it might be. And then we have little flower cutouts, daisies. Hopefully not the same book, same one. A creative quilting project CD-ROM. Some white fabric. White is always good. Some more stencils. This one is Celtic, which is pretty. Oh, let's look at this one. I don't know if it's just one or if it's all three. These are huge, but I could absolutely use them in art journaling also. So that's pretty neat. See, I always find art journals to do with the things that I get. So it doesn't matter if it's sewing or what, it always ends up going in my art journal. So this is a Christmas one. So not sure which box this is, but absolutely that is a Christmas sewing kit, which includes a Threaders magazine, fabric, and pattern to make a Christmas. Wasn't planning on Christmas, I was planning on Valentine's, but that's okay. So here is what's inside that one. Oh, we gotta keep the box. That is super cute fabric. That is adorable. And then the patterns. So there's Christmas ornaments and accessories. Looks like there's all of those little ornaments. It's cute. There's the pattern and the book. So that'll be fun in a few months. This is actually pretty cool. It is a die to make a clutch. I've never thought about making a bag using my Gemini. But now I'm going to. That's exciting. So I will learn how to make this clutch with this fabric, or whatever fabric. Cool. And it even comes with a metallic fasteners and D-rings. So I'm very excited for that actually. No clue what that one was, but we'll figure those out here in a minute. Get that recycling. And then we have the last one, which I believe this should be the Valentine's one. Now that, now that we see what we already have. So let's open it up. Regardless what it is, these were a huge hit. They put so much in these boxes. Got random flowers, sorry about that. Okay, first up is a Winter Wonderland star, a paper craft die, a beautiful baubles, some more Christmas stuff. Wonder what was Valentine's. Oh well. So this has beautiful baubles, 3-piece photopolymer stamps. Let's just open it instead of trying to figure out what it is. These things are so stuck in here. Oh, that's cool. So they are stamps and they're layered. So very cute. Again, awesome for next Christmas. and it's just 3 different layers, and you put them all together to make that. I'll put it with Christmas stuff. And then we have a Believe embossing folder. You can see that. See there. We have some Holly's embossing folder. These I don't really use very often because I don't really make cards, but that's okay. This is cute. This is a little Santa stamp and then die cuts to cut them out, or cut part of it out if you want to do like a card. So Santa may be cute in an art journal next year. A big old bow. You can see that. There's a reindeer on this little guy, so you like put 2 together and it makes like a closing for your card, and then you open it up. It's cute. Cute, cute, cute. Dear Santa list. I think this is a stamp. Nope, it's an embossing folder. Another embossing folder that makes it look like a package. You can see that. And another Crafters. I actually love these magazines. Don't get me wrong, I just wasn't expecting Christmas. Absolutely fine. So let's see what's inside. So some stamps, a cute die cut for a bauble. Nice. Some stamps with some holly. Another embossing folder. I guess I need to start using embossing folders. That one's kind of cute. Christmas 2019 paper craft CD. So I'll tell you in a second. Okay, paper craft CD. And then the beautiful magazine. And the magazines have lots of inspiration in it. So this one may be the Papercraft Discovery. Okay, fine. This one was definitely the Soft Crafts. This one was the Mystery Craft Kit, because that's their craft kit, right? My only question is the other Christmas one, with the purse. I mean, that was maybe the Valentine's one? I don't know. Again, doesn't matter. It's all cool stuff. There is a ton of... So here's a list of everything I got. Definitely for sure worth it. I will post prices as well. If these are available, I absolutely suggest grabbing one. I have no idea what would be in your Valentine's needlecraft kit, but absolutely take a look. They also do mystery boxes all the time, apparently when they're getting rid of their items, like their Christmas stuff, or whatever. So keep an eye out. I believe, in my opinion, that they're worth the price. Definitely let me know if you disagree. But thanks for watching, and of course, if you haven't already, please subscribe. If it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be doing this, and I truly appreciate you, and I'm so close to 600 subscribers. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.